It's a bad man thing.
Alright everyone, what's up? Welcome back. It's your girl Wigs to Waist Length, and I'm back of course with another quick wig show and tell, and this unit is on a new one by Main Concept. This is part of their Melanin Queen line. I do have this in the style Natural Wave 24 in the color number 2. If you're interested in the unit, definitely check out BLACKHAIRSPRAY.com. All their information is in the description box down below, and as usual, do not forget to like, share this video, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you get all post notifications. We are 4K to 20K, and like I have told you guys, I'm so excited to share that moment with you, so make sure you share. So I did decide to go ahead and just glue the front of this wig down. I'm not going to bore you guys too much with how I install this, but I will cover some issues that I do have with this wig, especially the frontal part of this wig. But overall, this is a really good concept. So big applause, big kudos to Main Concept for doing these units. And here I'm just showing you this parting space, which is just unbelievably natural. It does not get any more natural than that for a synthetic wig. So I'm going to let this play out, and then I'll come back, of course, with my final thoughts. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. So here we are with this beautiful unit by Main Concept, and if you missed the information in the beginning, this is part of their Melanin Queen line. It is a Brazilian frontal lace human hair style mixed wig in the style MOF 08 Natural Wave 24 in the color number 2. This is like maybe my third Melanin Queen line unit. I think maybe my third or fourth one, and I must say I am always surprised at how natural these units look. For a synthetic human hair mix, it doesn't get any more natural than this line. And this hairline, girl, do keep in mind I did pluck and tweeze just a little bit out of this hairline. Of the hairline on this unit, and the cap is very comfortable, doesn't even feel like I have a wig on. Very stretchy, very roomy, very big head friendly. And texture on here is definitely more of a light yucky, but it's a little coarse. I am getting some tangling, so you will definitely have to keep your bestie on lock, girl, because this unit does tangle. You will definitely have to keep her on your hip. Pretty long on me, and the best part about this unit is the density. Such a thick density wig. This is perfect for winter and fall. I would not wear this during the hotter months. This is a lot of hair. Absolutely love what Main Concept is doing with this Melanin Queen line. It is slowly becoming one of your girl's favorites, but she's a little bit on the bougie side, okay? You will have to reach in the pocketbook and spend a little bit more coins for this unit. Things that they can improve on before I really think that this unit is totally worth the money. And my number one complaint with this wig, I've said this time and time again, is the hair on the sides. For people who suffer from hair loss, people with alopecia, people who do not have edges, this is a very touchy wig to get to blend. If we could just get the short hairline, it would knock it out of the park for me. She cute though. She real cute. She real cute. So if you guys are interested in the unit, then definitely check out the information for BLACKHAIRSPRAY.com. All their information will be in the description box down below. And of course, don't forget to like, comment, and most important, girl, share this video. Share with your mama, your sister, your cousin, even them stanky co-workers, even them co-workers you can't stand, even the ones you look up and down. Share the love for your girl with your girl. And of course, before you go, don't forget to check out the video here or here and subscribe to the channel. And ladies, you know what I say, wear it with confidence, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.